Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this Dirigera, which is kind of like the IKEA Home, or like IKEA Smart Home Hub. So it's the front of the box, side, and importantly, it works with Zigbee, and then these are all the ones that it works with. So at the moment, I've got that app installed, and I already got one of these, but this is the second one. And then I think eventually, once I get enough stuff, I'll link it up to that. So let's see what we get in the box. So we have the device. Looks something like this. You connect a network cable, and then that's power. And when you do it, I think it asks you to click that 4 times, if I remember correctly. And then this will light up like a circle. I don't know if it's here, but like a little circle. And once it's fully lit up, then yeah, it works. Weirdly, this is like skew. I'm sure that's a fault. Interesting. So this was power cable, power brick, and then network cable. So in my house I have a mesh network, and each of them will take this adapter. So for every mesh network point, I think I'll eventually add one of these for wherever we have the stuff. And that is in the box. A whole bunch of paperwork that nobody ever really reads, I'm sure. Probably a user manual. Reason you don't need to really read this stuff is because when you're setting it up on the app, it literally takes you step by step. Do you see this? Do you see that? Click next, etc. So, yeah. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments about the product or my experience, let me know, and I will happily drop it below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.